So we're gonna come here just like this, all right? Yeah, just like that. You're gonna relax. I want you to relax back into me a little more. Good. Good. Yep, just like that. Relax a little more. That's it. Good. There we go. There we go. Good. There we go. Good. Great.
Those are all lovely. I've been waiting for these cracks for a long time.
Give me a little bit. Drop your shoulder.
Oh my God.
One, and that's midline lower back, and then of course I've had 2 motorcycle accidents. One right here, where I have a you know a really big
Huge scar.
huge
Did you
scar.
break your collarbone or no?
Yeah, I shattered it.
Okay.
And then so then I have rotator cuff issues, which I need to get fixed, but I haven't.
Okay.
And then my, of course, middle line upper area between my shoulder blades is like it's almost like I've seen other doctors show it to me, and it's like it's curving to the right.
So your spine's curving to the right.
It's like a tree trunk going to the right.
So when was the last time you fell off your motorcycle? Because I know it was just recently, right?
It was recently, yeah. I was driving down I-10, going on the I-10 loop, and someone slammed on their brakes. And as you can see, my ring, it spun around, and it caused a few pains in my hand. But anyways, this is the major road rash all on the right side of my body. But it was either the back of the car or the wall. So I chose the wall. I didn't feel like flying through the windshield and having major spinal injuries, so figured road rash or...
Okay.
You know.
So tell me what's bothering you the most right now. If you get rid of some things that are bothering you, what would you want to get rid of the most? What's bothering you the most right now? How do you feel? Upper back? Now, what's really the thing that's bothering you the most?
I feel like my breathing is affected and my blood pressure is affected by it. Like really honestly, like I'll have like just every once in a while I'll have like a blood pressure jump spike.
Like it'll just spike up?
It'll just spike and then go away. And I'm
Okay.
like, well, you know, and then it's because my arm is, you know, like, you know, see what I mean?
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden it's like, I can breathe. So I think it's a skeletal problem with, because like 1 minute my blood pressure will be fine, and then the next, I don't know if that maybe there's an effect.
Yeah, no,
on
it's
that.
all connected, man. I mean, the brain is controlling everything. So if something's out of balance,
It's telling me, my body's trying to tell me that
Yeah, those are just symptoms. I mean, high blood pressure, whatever it is, pain, your body's trying to, you know, just throw off warning signals to, you know, say something's not going all right. But what about, like, are you getting neck pain, or what's going on? Neck pain or lower back pain or mid back pain?
Well, I get a neck pain, of course, and I actually, this morning I did not stretch or do anything, because usually what I do is I bend over, touch my toes, and then I self-compress my neck, because it's the only way I can
get some relief. Yeah.
And then, you know, or I'll do the whole popping of the back thing. And I didn't do that this morning. I just kind of let you see the trauma, you know.
That's great. That's great, because I want to see that. But let me ask you something. Prior to how do you feel compared to how you used to feel before the motorcycle accident? So do you feel a lot worse now since that accident? Do you feel more beat up?
Not really, but I feel more bound up. Like I'm just like kind of like, you know, I skipped across the ground a little, so I'm sure I'm out of whack, you know.
Yeah.
But it's the same pains. It's just now my shoulder blades are kind of like more tense.
Okay.
So I don't feel much worse. I'm actually very happy that I didn't, you know, mess myself up more than I did.
So what we're going to do, we're going to take some x-rays. So we'll take x-rays of your entire spine. And so we want to see normal on the x-ray. So this would be normal, right? So here's a normal curve in your neck. So we would see somebody's curve like this. We want to see a nice curve like that, right? Some people have straight necks. Some people literally have them going the wrong way. We want to see a nice curve in your neck going like this, all right? So if it's not, it's putting a lot of pressure on the spinal cord. Also, in your back too, we want to see it to be nice and straight. You said yours is going off to the right, right? So it's not coming up here and then going off maybe like that.
It's like, yeah, kind of right here it cricks, and then right here it slowly cricks in the next shoulder blade area.
Right, so we want to see it nice and straight, and we also want to see those curves. Curve in your neck, curve in your mid back, and another curve in your lower back. So it's supposed to be 43 degrees in here, right? So the further that we get from 43 degrees, and it starts going this way, this way, this way, and straightening out, it starts pulling on the spinal cord, putting a lot of pressure, and then it'll just interfere with the way everything transmits from the brain down to the body.
That's what's
So
happening.
yeah, so we'll see what's going on with the x-rays. We'll find out where to adjust you, and then we'll start getting your work done. All right,
Cool.
sound good?
Sounds great.
All right, pause. Let's take a look at it. All right, so what I want you to do is turn your head to the right. It's pretty stiff right there. Does it feel restricted when you do that? Yeah, I mean, you're like
Yeah.
stopping way before you're supposed to. You're
It's
not,
definitely restricted.
yeah, go to this side.
Oh, that.
No, you can't go anywhere. So do that again.
That's
Good.
like that's
It's like you're going only about a third of the way that you're supposed to.
the
Go the
range.
other way.
Yeah, the range is.
Yeah, pretty bad.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Now stand up for me and bend over and touch your toes if it's just as much as you can. Okay, we can see where you are right there. Do you feel a little like tightness restricting you
Oh, yeah.
there, here?
It's about the spine's about to go separate itself. Like it's
Okay.
like it. Yeah.
All right, so now what I want you to do is go face down. Okay, I'm going to show you. You can put your arms right here. Rest them right on the armrest. All right, so Bradley, what I'm going to have you do next is you're going to keep your leg straight like this. And what I want you to try and do is raise your leg off the table straight, just this one. Yep, as high as you can get it. Okay? All right, you can put it down. Now do the other one. Okay, so which one felt harder for you?
The left one, I believe.
This one felt harder?
It wasn't. Yeah, it was
Okay.
restricted.
It felt just more difficult to get it up there.
Mhm.
All right, so what I'm going to do next is we're going to do a little bit of muscular release on you. I'm going to use this instrument on you, loosen you up a little bit, all right?
Man,
Alright.
it's powerful.
Yeah, very powerful. All right, so let's get this going here. Okay. So what we're going to do is adjust this hip, right?
Mhm.
So I'm going to do a bunch of drops right here. You're not going to really hear any popping or anything, okay? Raise this leg again for me. Good. Okay, do the other one for me again. Does that feel a little easier than it was?
Yeah, it does.
It does,
That's
right?
amazing.
Yeah, good. Because immediately we just balanced some of your hip abnormalities out, so that rotation got changed a little bit. So immediately your nervous system started working better, and you can start raising those legs higher. As we're going to go through, we're going to show you that it's even going to get easier. Okay. Slide down just a little bit this way. There you go. Perfect. Good. Good. There we go. Good. All right, so take a deep breath in, all the way out. Just really let it go, relax. There we go. There we go. Nice. That's it, just breathe normal. Okay, flip on your back for me. Good.
One of them just popped right back.
Did it?
Yeah.
Slide down just a little bit. Good. All right, so I'm gonna have you cross your arms like this. Yep. I'm gonna roll you towards me. Don't worry, you're not gonna fall. Take a deep breath in. All the way out. Good. There we go. Again. Good. One more. There we go. That's it. We got a little movement in there. Slide back for me a little bit. Actually, you're gonna go that way.
Oh.
Okay. Perfect. Any pain in your ankles whatsoever or no?
No.
Feel good?
Yeah,
It looks good.
actually, the heel on that one.
It bothers you a little bit? On which one? The left one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It's like the back heel area, the Achilles tendon.
Yeah.
Like the,
Okay.
yeah, that's the injury in our overseas as well.
Good. Good. Okay, good. 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 Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna bring your head this way. I'm gonna come up on here like this.
Mhm.
Alright. Alright. So we're gonna come here just like this. Alright. Yeah, just like that. You're gonna relax. I want you to relax back into me a little more. Good. Good. Yep. Just like that. Relax a little more. That's it. Good. Wow.
That was good. I've been wanting to crack that one for 10 years. Wow. Mm-hmm. Big difference.
A huge release in there.
Wow. Yeah, no, that's a major release. Thank you.
You're welcome. Turn your head to this side now.
But, okay.
Yep.
A little,
Little woozy.
well, it's like the blood flow is happening in this sector of the body, and it's,
Literally, we just opened up everything. Nerves are flowing now. You know,
Yeah.
everything's going the way it's supposed to be.
even that, remember I was telling you about that up here? That
Yeah.
You got that?
Awesome. Okay. So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna have you go on your back.
Mm-hmm.
You can go right on your back. Just put your head right there. Yep.
I'm like still amazed.
Processing.
Yeah.
Good. I'm just gonna give you a little light thrust in here. Everything feels really good, but I just want to see if there's a little bit more. Good. So what I want you to do is just relax. Great.
Those are all lovely. I've been waiting for these cracks for a long time.
How does your body feel? Does it feel a little different right now?
Yeah. Like it feels realigned, like it's supposed to be.
Awesome. So what I'm going to have you do now is you're going to lie on your side facing me. So you're going to lie on this shoulder.
Okay.
Yep.
And there's still that tension in my shoulder blades.
Yeah, we're going to do a little bit more for that too. So
Oh yeah.
we're going to put your leg like this.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to scoot your hip, turn your bottom hip towards me a little bit more. There you go, perfect. Take this thumb, put it just like that. Good. Take a deep breath in. Oh yeah. Again. Already moved a little bit. Oh yeah. Just relax that stomach. There we go. Good. Okay, brother. Good. Now go to the other side.
That one like almost submitted.
Yeah. We got some good movement in there though, so I'm happy with that. Scoot your bottom hip towards me like this. Yep. Okay. I'm gonna take take this. We're gonna put this thumb in here like this. Okay.
This is the one.
Yeah. Take a deep breath in. All the way out. One more. All the way out.
Oh yeah. Oh, that was it.
How'd that feel?
Much better. Give it a second. I'm sure it'll be a big relief. That was a lot of. Yeah. Yeah.
So we're gonna do the Y strap on you now, and it's gonna really go deep. You might feel releases here, here, here. Pretty much it's gonna go to the area that's most bound up, and it's gonna release that area, all right?
Mm-hmm.
Almost like a towel that's kind of twisted. This is gonna untwist the towel. So, I'm gonna have you lift your head all the way up, right back down. Good. So I'm gonna give you a couple light pulls, just really kind of relax the spine, and then I'll give you one pretty decent pull, and we'll get some good releases in there. Okay. Deep breath. All the way out. Good. Deep breath. All the way out. That's it. Just really relax. There you go. Deep breath in. Your body's been under a lot of stress. Good. Just relax. Good. Good. Awesome. Just relax now. You alright?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm good.
Now let me have you come up one more time. And then, Brad, I'm just gonna have you go on your stomach one more time. Go ahead and raise this leg up again. Good, that's great. Go back down, other one. How does that feel compared to when you first did it?
It's a lot more, the mobility is back, and it's not restricted, and I'm not feeling the hesitation in this one, as, you know, it's...
So much better. I can just see you
Oh,
jump
yeah.
up, like you're connected better.
Yeah, most definitely.
Okay. Okay. Good. Good. So let's see if there's any, everything feels pretty good. Okay, stand up for me.
Okay.
Now just go ahead and bend over and touch your toes. How does
It's
that
a
feel?
little more.
A little more, right?
Yeah, a little better.
Okay.
And I don't feel like I'm about to fall apart.
Yeah. And have a seat one more time. Let me just see something. Looks a lot better. Go to the right. Good. A little bit better. Turn to the right now. Good. Other side. Good. Much better. For your first adjustment, I think that was great. Stand up for me.
Yeah, that was wonderful.
You're all done, man.
Thanks.
Yeah.